This is the new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G smartphone. It is one of the brand's best mid-range device, which comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen, 120Hz refresh rate, 64 megapixel primary camera, 32 megapixel selfie camera, Exynos 1280 chipset, and a 5000 mAh battery. This device is priced at 223k naira. In dollars, it's about $449. Now, the big question is this device worth the upgrade? Well, we'll have to find out. The Galaxy A53 is finally here. Samsung has removed the headphone jack, and yes, it ships without a charging brick in the box. The upside is that the A53 looks quite slim and firm. It also comes in 4 colors, which is black, blue, white, and peach. Samsung calls it Awesome Black, Awesome Blue, Awesome White, and Awesome Peach. It also features 2 stereo speakers, but no dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack. And the SIM slot is now where the headphone jack used to be. As for the display, the Galaxy A53 has a smooth display. It features a 6.9 Super AMOLED Infinity O display with Full HD Plus resolution and HDR10 Plus. Also comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is a good upgrade as the A52 had 90Hz refresh rate. It comes with an IP67 rating for dust and water, which means it's resistant to water and dust. The Exynos 1280 chipset offers the Galaxy A53 a faster performance. This 5nm chipset is way faster than the Galaxy A52 Snapdragon 720G chipset. The Galaxy A53 chipset gives it an improved day-to-day experience and is amazing when it comes to gaming performance. As for the camera, there's no physical improvement in this department. The A53 features the exact same rear-facing camera setup as the A52. 64 megapixel OSI plus 12 megapixel ultra wide plus a 5 megapixel depth and a 5 megapixel macro. It's also the same 32 megapixel selfie camera, so I don't think there'll be any difference with the photos. For the software, the A53 comes with Android 12 based One UI 4.1 out of the box and will have 4 major OS updates, which will be up to Android 16. This is good news for A-series users because you can actually use your phone for years. Now, the big question, should you upgrade? Overall, from my experience with the Galaxy A53, I would say the display is slightly smoother. It's faster, has a longer software support, also has 5G and a better battery. If these are the features you're looking for, then this is the phone for you. You should upgrade. But if you were hoping for a better camera, there's just a slight change. If you were using a lower device or you were using the Galaxy A51, then this upgrade will be for you. So that's all, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe or like and drop a comment if you think the phone is affordable or if it's something you go for. So till next time, bye guys.